Hello everybody, this is Abhishek Bagherwal. Welcome to my channel. So today I have come up with a very interesting video that is about Web3 in Salesforce. So I'm sure you have also heard about these phrases like Web3, NFT, Metaverse, cryptocurrency, all these things. So I'm gonna tell you the basic background about what is it and what offerings Salesforce are giving in this area. Okay, so let's start with understanding these phrases, what these are. So first, if I talk about Web3, so we have seen the different phases in our lives. So we have seen Web 1, that was something around between 1990 to 2000, so where we were only the consumers of the web. So we would go to these sites, we would buy some things, we would see things, but the ownership of those things, only the developers or the creators of those sites they were having. Okay, then that after that comes web 2 between somewhat around 2000 to 2021. So there we got the option to write as well. So if you see the example of Instagram, so what we can do Instagram, we cannot just be the audience, we can be the creator as well on the Instagram, and we can sell out our products or our services. Okay, then after that comes the web3, which we are going to talk about. Here you cannot just read, you can even write, and you can even own the things as well. So when we talk about the owning of the things, that at that point of time I'm talking about owning of the NFT, the non fungible tokens. Okay, so you can see the examples of the applications or platforms or the companies which you can take an example of. So the Amazon, where initially you weren't able to do anything, you were just the consumer of it. You will go to Amazon, you will buy something like that. Okay, then if you talk about TikTok or Instagram, you can create your own pages, you can sell out your products or your services. So that comes under the web 2 part. And then if we talk about web 3, there is OpenSea. So there you can sell your own non-fungible tokens, you can buy them. So the whole community is there that is going to be doing all of the selling and buying all those stuff. Okay, so that was about the web3. Now let's talk about what is NFT. Okay, so NFT is nothing but the it is called non-fungible tokens. And what is a non-fungible token? So that is uh, I would say whatever you can own in the digital format, which is on your blockchain platform, on your blockchain technology. So it is owned by you, but it is visible to everybody. It is not stored in a central repository, it is on the decentralized platform. Okay, and what could be a NFT? So if you see, there are some categories available. It could be your gaming asset like avatars, or let's say shields, swords, cars, or whatever. Okay, it could be your keys to open some sort of uh, locked content. It could be your ownership, voting something. Okay, so it could be anything that you can imagine that can consist in the digital form. Okay, so that is your NFT. Now I would try to connect to one thing with this NFT. So we see in the previous slide, we saw this OpenSea. So OpenSea is a marketplace. As I told earlier, it is a marketplace where you can buy or sell your NFTs. So those NFTs you can create and you can put it for sale on the OpenSea market, where it is going to be traded in your into your blockchain currency or something. Okay, now we have talked about these two things, what is web3 and what is NFT. Now let's talk about metaverse. I'm sure you have heard the this phrase from the Facebook point of view, from the Meta point of view, or somewhere else's. Okay, so what is a metaverse? So I have opened this is a very popular, one of the very popular metaverses in today's market, that is the Sandbox. So metaverse is a kind of a place, a virtual place where you can do almost everything. Okay, you can buy your land, you can create your home, you can rent it out, you can create NFTs. As we talked about, let's say you create an NFT of a car and you sell it on yeah, on OpenSea, and someone else use it on the sandbox metaverse. So this is one of the metaverses where you can actually buy your land or do other stuff. You can create your avatars, you can, there is a marketplace as well. So this is one of the metaverses. So similarly there are many metaverses available. So if you will go on Google and search for uh, available metaverses, okay, so you can open a link. So you can see the sandbox is the number one, then Decentraland, and XC Infinity is one of the very popular games which is on the metaverse technology. It is working so rare. So similarly, there are many metaverses that are available for you to actually use or do stuff over there. Okay, it's all about the virtual reality. There is nothing physically over here we are talking about. So that's, we talked about three terms. We talked about Web3, we talked about NFT, we talked about Metaverse, and blockchain is. We will not go into the depth of blockchain, but from an overview, we can just understand that it is a decentralized place where the transactions happen from peer to peer. There is no central repository or central command of point that has the transparency of these things. Instead, everybody in the community, in the network, has the transparency of the transactions and what is happening. Okay, so we talked about the terms Web3, NFT, Metaverse, and blockchain technology as well. So now let's see what is Salesforce standing on this Web3 front. So this is, I have opened a Web3 pricing place, or I'll just go back to this Web3 overview. So currently what they are providing two tools right now. One is their Web3 Connect and one is NFT management. So Web3 Connect, I'm not sure whether what is exactly it is, but it is talking about some API. So maybe you can connect your blockchain data, or maybe you can connect with your wallet something, and you can see your transactions in Salesforce. You can execute a transaction from Salesforce directly. So I believe that is something we are talking about here. And then another tool is NFT management. So that is basically you can create and deploy NFT collection from Salesforce. Okay, I'm not sure, I've not seen this in working, but I'm not sure how it works, but I have seen other applications where you can create your NFT. So one of them is Vox Edit. So if you will go to this Vox Edit, so here you can actually create, as you can see, the one of the features is NFT maker. So you can create like these kind of NFTs from your Vox Edit, and you can uh, sell it or put it on the marketplace of these kind of metaverses. Or there is one more marketplace called OpenSea. So this is the largest NFT marketplace where you can buy or sell your NFT. So you can see all these kind of things. It looks like the gaming things, but yeah, what we can say, the market is going crazy about these things. Okay, so you can actually create your NFTs and put it over here. If you will go here and search for Sandbox, you can see the available things for the Sandbox. So you can buy over here. So these are nothing but all these are lands are there. And if you can see the categories, maybe something has to be there that you can see. So you can connect your wallet from here, your crypto wallet, it could be MetaMask or Binance or something, and then you can actually purchase these NFTs, or you can create put your NFT over here as well for sale purpose. Okay, so that is what is actually going on in the Web3 metaverse technologies. And from the Salesforce front, we can actually get to see this Web3 Connect to connect your blockchain data to see the blockchain transactions, and this NFT management to create or deploy your NFT collections directly from Salesforce. So that is what the current offering from Salesforce. So this was all about the overview of Web3 segment from the Salesforce perspective. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I would be definitely uploading more videos on this front. So stay tuned for that. And if you find the overall content of my channel helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.